Hello, in this video I'll be showing you why Charles Windsor is not a legitimate British monarch and why his son is not a legitimate Prince of Wales. Legally, they may only be defined as the usurpers of Britain. Several parties might have their own thoughts and feelings about this, which is why I think it's important that we consult Graham's hierarchy of disagreement. For those that are unfamiliar, Graham's hierarchy of disagreement is what academics modernly use to ensure that their opinions may only be dispelled by refuting the central point. Rather than producing name-calling or counter-arguments, you have to enter facts into evidence which refute the central point. We may only consult one set of laws in the matter of succession to the crown of Britain, and that is the British dynastic laws themselves. According to English jurists Edward Coke and John Fortescue, the English laws are founded solely based upon the British common laws. According to these constitutional British laws, the heir to the crown of Britain must descend from a direct British male line only. Charles Windsor descends from the Germanic houses of Saxe-Coburg-Gotha and Hanover on his mother's lines, and Battenberg on his father's line, making it impossible for him to be a legitimate British dynast because he does not have the required royal British DNA. The British dynastic laws are immutable, which is to say that they can be changed by neither king nor legislation. They were created this way to protect the island of Britain from the usurpation of others. Gilbert Stone was an English jurist and judge. According to Stone, in Wales, Her Origins, Struggles, and Later History, written in 1915, the title Britain today is borne by many people in many lands, few of whom probably realize that, strictly speaking, it is the Welshman alone entitled to this name. Stone states this for several reasons. In matters of nationality, states often consult the blood or the place of birth, but the primary rule in any nationality is allegiance to that nation. If the red dragon of the Britons is not your flag, then you cannot legally claim to be British. If Charles Windsor is legally barred from inheriting the crown of Britain by the British dynastic laws and the most ancient laws in the island of Britain, which the laws of England are based, then it is impossible for him to claim to be a legitimate British monarch, and he's legally a usurper of Britain. In the Black Book of Carmarthen, Merlin prophesies that the Britons would overcome the usurpers of Britain. This early political poetic prophecy demonstrates that the Britons and the English are two separate people, and that the English have usurped the Britons. Mae fydd mawr, ond dydy hynny ddim yn meddwl na fedrwn ni ei newid. Diolch yn fawr iawn a hwyl am y tro.